Hello YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the Stella innocent version from Kotobukiya, and on today's video I'm going to show you how I built this. Kotobukiya has been on a roll with their Mecha Girl series like the Brave Arms Girl and Megami Device. And one of their recent kit is this, Stella, who is a character from Phantasy Star Online 2. I am not familiar with the video game considering that this is not available in the United States. If this is one of the characters from the game, I am definitely checking it out when it comes out soon. Like the other Kotobukiya kits, this kit was a bit hard to build. Parts are small and some parts are really tight. Some of the parts such as the wrist joints were also weak, so extra care was needed. Each parts were cut out carefully and they were filed, sanded carefully before putting it together. Unlike the most Bandai kit, the screws were attached to parts in some awkward places like the one in the pair, and they were a bit hard to sand, but with a slow and careful planning, I was able to build a clean looking kit. This is how the kit looks like once it builds straight out of the box without its water slide decal supplied. Like other Kotobukiya kits, the part separation was good but not complete, thus a requirement for stickers. Well, considering the source material, I am not surprised. Still, I think they did a great job on how it looks. As you can see, the proportions are different from other Kotobukiya Mecha Girl kits and I love it. Its thick proportions are lovely and different. It also has extra detail like its underwear, which makes her look really sexy. Before painting this kit, I cleaned up some of the parts such as her torso. Some of the seam lines were easy to clean. Simple plastic glue and pressure was enough to weld them together, and simple cleaning it made the part look like a small piece. However, the torso was a different story, and because it had a huge indentation. I used the plastic from the sprue and cut them to small pieces. I put them in a small glass vial with some plastic glue and left them overnight. This makes a nice paste which I can apply to the indentation as a filter. Once it dries and sanded, it will make a clean look with the same color as plastic. I did this to a torso because I intend not to paint the skin color. Once cleanup for each part was done, I primed them and painted them using acrylic paints. Some parts, such as a cape, I had to mask some of the parts to make the color separation work to give it a clean look. For some parts, I use brush to paint them on. Some of the details were added using pastel. This technique was useful especially on subtle shading on the body and on her hair. Once the paint was done, I applied a top coat to seal the work. And once the top coat has been cured, I applied the included water slide decals, which was once again sealed using the top coat. And here is the finished kit. I stuck with the same color scheme for this kit, so the paint didn't come out well, especially in the parts where I paint using a hand brush, but overall, I think it came out well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button if you liked it, and subscribe, because on my next project, I'll be doing this.